Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to today's session on improving occupancy in call centers while maintaining strong service levels and delivering exceptional customer experiences. In this framework, we'll explore a dual approach. First, traditional methods, proven workforce management practices that have formed the foundation of call center efficiency for years. Then, we'll move into AI-powered strategies, cutting-edge solutions using predictive analytics, real-time monitoring, and automation to take occupancy optimization to the next level. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear, practical roadmap to balance agent workload, reduce idle time, and improve overall operational efficiency without sacrificing service quality or customer satisfaction. Let's begin with workforce management and scheduling, the backbone of occupancy optimization in any call center. First, we start with accurate forecasting. This means analyzing historical call volumes, seasonal trends, and campaign data to predict staffing needs with precision. When we forecast correctly, we are able to align our resources with real demand, avoiding surprises that lead to either long customer wait times or agents sitting idle. Next, dynamic scheduling comes into play. Instead of rigid, one-size-fits-all shifts, we align agent schedules with real call patterns. Peak hours get the right coverage, while quieter periods avoid overstaffing. This balance ensures smooth operations, better occupancy levels, and consistent service levels. Finally, cross-training agents adds flexibility. When agents can handle multiple call types or channels, they're not tied to just one queue. This reduces idle time during low volumes and ensures customers get help faster, no matter their issue. The impact? A well-optimized workforce that balances occupancy levels, prevents burnout from overwork, and eliminates wasted capacity, creating a win-win for agents, customers, and operations. Now, let's talk about reducing average handle time, or AHT, one of the most critical levers in improving occupancy without overburdening your agents. First, knowledge base access plays a pivotal role. By providing agents with a centralized, easy-to-search knowledge base, we eliminate time wasted hunting for answers. Quick access to accurate information means faster resolutions and more confident agents. Next, we leverage call scripting and templates. Standardized scripts for repetitive queries create consistency and speed. Agents no longer need to think through routine scenarios from scratch. They simply follow proven conversation flows, reducing talk time while maintaining quality. Finally, after-call work automation takes care of repetitive post-call tasks, like summarizing interactions or updating CRM records. By automating these steps, agents can focus on the next customer instead of getting stuck in manual processes. The impact? Lower AHT, more calls handled per agent, and optimal occupancy levels, all achieved without increasing workload or compromising service quality. Next, we move to call routing and queue management, a critical factor in maintaining both service levels and balanced occupancy. We begin with skill-based routing. This ensures each call reaches the right agent the first time. By connecting customers directly to agents with the right expertise, we reduce unnecessary transfers, shorten handling times, and improve both customer satisfaction and agent efficiency. Then comes overflow routing. During peak periods, when primary agents are at capacity, calls are automatically routed to backup teams. This prevents bottlenecks, keeps queues moving, and protects agents from becoming overwhelmed. Finally, priority queues help manage high-value or urgent calls. VIP customers or time-sensitive issues are placed at the front of the line, ensuring fast resolution without putting additional pressure on standard queues. The impact: balanced queue distribution, smooth call flow, and fewer occupancy spikes, leading to a more controlled and efficient call center environment. Now let's focus on multi-channel and self-service adoption, a strategy designed to reduce call volumes and free up agent capacity for more complex interactions. We start with IVR optimization. By simplifying IVR menus and enabling self-service for routine tasks, like order tracking or balance inquiries, we empower customers to get answers quickly without waiting for an agent. Next, AI chatbots and FAQ systems come into play. These tools handle repetitive, low-complexity queries around the clock, deflecting them away from live agents. This significantly reduces the inbound call load while keeping response times fast. Finally, omni-channel workload management ensures agents can seamlessly switch between voice, chat, and email based on real-time demand. This flexibility maximizes efficiency and helps balance workloads across all customer touchpoints. The result? Fewer live calls, lower occupancy pressure, and improved operational efficiency across every customer channel. Next, we move into AI-powered forecasting and real-time adjustments, where technology takes workforce management to the next level. First, predictive forecasting models use AI to analyze historical patterns, seasonal trends, and external factors to anticipate call volume surges before they happen. This allows managers to adjust staffing proactively rather than reacting after service levels have already dropped. Second, real-time occupancy monitoring through AI dashboards keeps supervisors informed of what's happening right now. If occupancy crosses a critical threshold, say, above 90%, they can take immediate action to prevent overload and maintain service quality. Finally, dynamic call routing ensures calls are distributed evenly across agents, teams, or even locations in real time. This prevents bottlenecks, keeps workloads balanced, and avoids long queues that lead to abandoned calls. The overall impact: no overworked agents, no long wait times, and no service breakdowns, because potential problems are prevented before they ever materialize. Let's now look at agent productivity tools designed to help agents work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. We start with Agent Assist AI. This tool provides real-time suggestions, troubleshooting steps, and FAQs while the agent is on the call. The result? Faster resolutions, fewer escalations, and greater confidence for agents handling complex queries. Next, we have speech and text analytics. By analyzing conversations across calls and chats, AI identifies the most common call drivers and areas where agents may need additional training. This insight helps reduce handle times by addressing issues at the source. Finally, gamification and performance dashboards transform performance management into a motivating experience. Agents can see their real-time metrics, earn recognition for achieving targets, and stay engaged while continuously improving their efficiency. The impact? Higher productivity, shorter calls, and balanced occupancy levels, all achieved without sacrificing service quality or agent well-being. Next, let's focus on policy and process improvements, which help prevent unnecessary spikes in occupancy and ensure a balanced workload for agents. First, shrinkage management plays a critical role. By closely monitoring breaks, training sessions, and meetings, we can prevent too many agents from being unavailable at the same time. This keeps staffing levels stable and avoids unplanned occupancy surges. Second, callback options provide customers with virtual hold and callback features during peak hours. Instead of waiting on hold, customers can receive a call when an agent is free. This smooths out call arrival rates and reduces pressure on the queue. Finally, proactive notifications help manage demand before it even reaches the contact center. By sending SMS or email alerts about known issues like service outages or maintenance, we can reduce unnecessary calls and keep lines clear for customers with new or urgent concerns. The impact? A balanced call flow, reduced overload risk, and healthier occupancy levels, ensuring both agents and customers have a smoother experience. Finally, we come to continuous monitoring and feedback, the key to moving from reactive firefighting to long-term optimization. First, real-time dashboards give supervisors a complete picture of contact center performance at any given moment. By tracking occupancy alongside critical metrics like service level, average speed of answer, and abandon percentage, managers can intervene before small issues escalate into bigger problems. Next, root cause analysis helps us go deeper. By examining when and why occupancy spikes occur, whether it's certain call types, times of day, or specific queues, we can design targeted strategies to address these underlying challenges. The result? A data-driven approach that enables smarter decisions, sustainable occupancy control, and continuous performance improvement rather than just putting out fires as they arise. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.